Electronics. All about electronics.
Hey, hi friends, welcome to our channel Just Do Electronics. In this video I will just show you is how to set up this your Blynk 2.0 app and how to control this this LED or home automation. Okay, let's go. And now creating this Blynk app, first you log in, and this one is the creative view template. You just put your controller name ESP32, like I will use this right now is the ESP32. Okay, and this all this setup, and this valid is the token, this authentic key and the token. And you set up your switches, how much you switches you required. You just now the all this setup is the done. Just go to this web dashboard, and you see all this configure is the display, like LED, which virtual pin you used, and put this very correct virtual pin V1, V2, V3, V4 like this. Okay, and going to this ESP32, and you just check this your switches is work or not. You just turn and off. And okay, let's go. And the same application create in this mobile. Okay, and this mobile application, you just go to this web developer and just select this ESP32 board. Same process, you just select all these toggles and this button pins switches. Okay, and you select one by one and same configure. You just put this name of these switches, which switches you used, LED1, LED2, LED3, LED4, and you just select this virtual pin, which virtual pin you just decide in this main this way computer application, and the mobile application will be the same, then is the work properly, otherwise it's not work. Just you select and you just check this all the switches is the properly work or not. Okay, just you turn on and off. This one is the mobile application. You just use this anywhere in this world. Okay, and if you want to this code, please visit my GitHub account. I will put my GitHub link in the video description. If you want, then please check out. There's so many codes available in this without any costing. If you want, then please visit one time. Okay, and I will just explain this code, how this code is to work. First, when I upload in this code and I press this reset button, the Blynk app will be connected. And I will just show this working video, how this video and this project will be work. When I pressing this on the switches button, the switches color is the red and the LED will be glow. The same color is the LED I used in this ESP32 board configure. And you just see I just put this on button in this my mobile, the laptop, this web server is the also updated. When I press this on button, this LED will be on, and the both of this mobile and the web server application will be on condition. Okay, this one is the mobile application I used anywhere in this world. Okay, this is ESP32 connected to this your local Wi-Fi, and this mobile application is the used anywhere in the world. Suppose if you ESP32 in your home and you just want to this control your home appliance with anywhere, just you place this on and off button, your home appliance will be controlled very easily. This one is the complete project. I hope you like this project, and if you like this project, please hit the like button, share with all the friends. If you're new on my YouTube channel, please subscribe my video channel, press the bell icon to get notification first. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.